Alright, good morning, Shadows. We are on our way to the train station to grab that train to Brasov. About like a 45-minute hour walk, so it's a little bit of a trek, but it's a pretty walk too. So I'm up fairly early. I always like to get up and get going early on the days I'm going to a new city, so I don't get to the other city at a weird time. Let me get this put up and start my hike. Alright guys, see you at the train station. Alright guys, so made it to the train station. I got a little wait, but that's okay. I'd rather have a little wait than be late. So this is actually a pretty big train station compared to the ones that I've been going to. And so I'm waiting for probably about an hour and a half basically, which is fine. Allow me time to cool off, time to relax, and everything. But it's only going to take me about roughly 3 hours, almost 3 hours, give or take, to get to Brasov. And then it's about a 40-minute hike to the hostel, and then we'll be in Brasov. So I'm super stoked about that. Yeah, so I'm just going to chill in the train station. Shadows. I'm not filming anything major today. I'm just out and about to go get some lunch, but I thought I'd say hey for the day. Took a work day. It's kind of stormy today. According to the weather, it's going to be that way for a couple of days. We'll see how this goes. Just out and about looking for some food.